it is a cold one today. I am currently dressed up like an Eskimo on Christmas Eve because it's like 18 degrees out here. Anyways, what is going on today, guys? We are headed off to the same place where the BMW broke down, funnily enough, because we're getting breakfast. It's a scenic overlook out by the Flatirons. Hopefully my Mini doesn't break down, fingers crossed, because that would be ironic but terrible. Here it is. Vacuum cleaner cold start. Gotta be quiet because it's 5:30 in the morning and I don't want to piss off everybody at campus. Okay, running a tiny bit late because I didn't realize I only have about a half tank of gas, which is enough to get me there, but not go on a cruise or get back. Okay, now that I'm away from campus, that's much more like it. Sunrise, or at least the starts of it. This is like a ridiculously clear day. It's gonna be perfect once we get out there. That's more of a sunrise. That's beautiful. Okay, I'm having a bad idea debate. Do I want to turn on my underglow while I'm driving? It's not technically illegal if I keep it on white or amber, so I'm gonna keep it on white. But at the same time, I don't want to encounter a bored cop who's like, I'm just gonna pull you over because I'm bored. But it's also 26 degrees, so I don't think any cops would want to pull me over for something that's not egregious. What's up?
The underglow looks way better in person.
Yeah, it does. It's much warmer than I anticipated. It feels great.
I was expecting at least like 20 degrees, not freaking 48.
Yeah.
The wind sucks.
JD, Jordan, dressed up like an Eskimo. I believe it's time to put the LEDs in show mode. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Merry Chrysler.
Oh.
How dare you? I celebrate Honda days.
I wish more companies would make different ones like Chevy days or I don't even.
Great.
Chevica? Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It turned out so much better than I expected, especially in the grill.
I wasn't sure how the grill was going to turn out.
I gotta find, I believe it is that one. There we go.
Does it go fast? Does it Nyan Cat?
Oh yeah, I can go full.
Yes.
There we go.
Rainbow Road, hell yeah.
That's 85%. Puppers! Hello!
Danny, sir, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
How you doing, man?
Nice avocado mask.
Yeah, I love this thing.
I love it.
I got so many comments about this.
Do you?
What are their names? This is Kona and that's Ghost. Gotcha. Yeah.
There he goes. Oh.
She's so puffy. Oh my god.
Sam's got donuts.
If anyone wants an energy drink, I got those too.
Oh, they take. Oh no, you got the tape. You are amazing. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh hi.
What's up, guys?
What's up? That van is awesome.
The van is awesome. Yeah, I just live right in that crowd.
Awesome. Yeah, yours like. Yep.
Piece of cake. I'm like, wait a minute. Because I just got off work like
Yeah.
now. Like I just punched out.
Yep.
Right now. Like,
Drove here on the
right
clock.
there, and I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm probably not going out anything after this, but.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like, oh, you have snow tires? Like, no, I don't.
You have no tires.
Brake flaps.
Yeah. How are you not dead?
I went 130 kilometers. Good thing for the last thing.
That's clean.
I'm very
Yeah.
proud of this.
Yeah, that's very clean.
I'm really proud of this. We cleaned
That's
the shit out
awesome.
of this thing. We put new heat shields on it, a new pull hook on it, and just tidied it up.
Yeah, that's awesome. This whole thing is awesome.
Yeah, it's good. I like this car a lot.
This is the only one of yours I've actually seen.
Oh man, the other two are right there. We're just hitting up there.
Yep.
Yeah, I've been driving the Supra mostly. I actually had an experience the other day where I swear to God I went interconventional.
Yeah, you were saying that in the chat. You saw the cat. Yeah.
The cat woke me up. I swear at 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm sorry. Is that actually an hour? But like the ring comes over here.
So Danny's gonna fly his drone to end car all the way out there and try not to get it shot down. Ooh, the light's touching the peaks. I think I'm gonna pop out my drone because I want to get some photos of this. So drone footage in 3, 2, 1. My drone is 10,000 feet out that way. I have no clue where it actually is. It's just out. And now it comes to super nervous automatic return to home. Where it at 10,000 feet just hopefully comes back. Isn't it about 6,000 feet out? Somewhere over there. How you doing? Good. Yep. Sunrise.
Yeah.
Breakfast.
I live 5 minutes away. Should I go get my van?
Do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
That didn't take much.
Yeah.
Car ride, road trip.
Is that warm enough?
That's not real, is it?
It's good too. Going after, I don't like, so they started blow racing.
Yes, please.
CRV and like a regular
Thank you much.
Rest of the hash browns.
Ooh, thank you. And just like this, we have a food vlog. I'm gonna rate Sam's cooking. Knowing Sam, it's gonna be good. No, mine. Go. Mine. You're adorable. This is amazing.
I'm a little disappointed that the cows were not brought to attention a little earlier by somebody.
JD has told me to go fly my drone at the cows.
It's dude ritual. If you see cows, you have to fucking announce it.
Cows!
Should go harass them with the drone.
I'm gonna do it.
Harass wildlife.
Yeah. No, they're not wildlife. They're domesticated. Quick, he's gone. Make fun of his Tesla. Yeah, Sam's finally able to not have to cook. Sam can talk with us because he doesn't have to cook now. It was delicious. JD, I think Lily should get the same exhaust I have.
You know, I think it would sound good.
Yeah?
But she was already complaining about how loud my car was on cold start this morning, so...
You just noticed it? That's fair.
The ramp is way better than I expected, like in person.
Oh yeah, it's
both way better and way shittier.
exactly. Yeah. If the stripes weren't there, it'd look worse.
You wouldn't realize.
But yeah, you wouldn't. Yeah. It is wrapping paper. Yeah. 6 hours. It was 6 hours for 2 cars. Mine was like, my sister's car was the one that took forever.
And you're complaining about your papers.
Yeah. Well, this was fun. The papers aren't.
Did you finish the one?
JD, I think Lily should do this to her car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just make it sound like that.
I think it's a good noise.
It's good noise.
I think so.
Yeah.
It's unexpected.
What year is this thing?
16.
Yeah.
You and your auto start. I wish I had that this morning. Dude, this is why I want a Corvette. They're the world's hottest hatchback.
It's amazing. I love it so much.
Like this, legitimately, I was talking to one of my friends. I'm like, I want a Corvette. I want to do a cross-country road trip. I'm like, what could you fit in a Corvette? I'm like, everything.
Like, I just want to go on a road trip, like, two people comfortably.
Yeah.
Like,
that sounds great. Flat sixes. Flat sixes sound absolutely amazing.
That's the car that I drove down Lookout Mountain and Mount Evans.
Ooh, nice.
whatever you like, bike
Yeah.
That's a lot of room.
Ooh. Ooh.
But they don't go up at the same time. It's not as satisfying as like the Miata is.
Go ahead. Put it in sport mode. You need an exhaust. Straight pipe it. Fair enough.
It's a bang the flow exhaust. I don't know how I feel about it.
I like it. It's a little quiet. Very nice.
So it has 4 cats in it. I guess so.
If I have to take donuts home, I will. I have seen a grand total of 1 other of this color on the road.
And that color?
Yeah.
That's a good color.
I know, I love the color. I don't understand why they're so rare.
Like,
Oh,
blue's like a tough color because
you go.
blue's a tough color. Like,
Yeah,
it depends on the car. This really works.
do it. Full boost. Full boost.
I've only been running like 10 pounds.
If you blow your block, it's funny. I'll get it on video. Oh, heaters are amazing. It's so cold. Okay, we were kicked out of the second photo spot we were planning on going as soon as we arrived because we were all being kind of noisy. We weren't doing anything illegal, but we were being noisy. So JD and I are mobbing back home. Yeah. I don't think it's possible for me to go a video without mentioning Colorado's insane views. So this has been my time mentioning Colorado's insane views for this video. Today was definitely a net positive. I got good food. I got donuts. I got to cruise and I didn't get arrested. So overall, I definitely call that a win. If you guys like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.